Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of SubWallet How To. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions on how to redeem DOT from cDOT on Parallel D app and then stake DOT into Parallel Liquid Staking using SubWallet Web Dashboard. First, head to crowdloan.parallel.finance and redeem. Okay, so I've connected my wallet in here using SubWallet and I have cDOT here, which is claimable, so I will click on redeem. You can either choose to supply redeem DOT to money market or not. So in this case, I'm not gonna supply. So I'm gonna redeem 0.9925 DOT. Confirm this on your SubWallet extension, hit approve. And here you go, you have successfully redeemed your cDOT. Next, go to web.subwallet.app and check your balance. Okay, I'm gonna change this to my SubWallet CM and check your DOT. You can see that my DOT has been redeemed. I now have 1.48 DOT on Parallel. So from here, click on the Earning tab on the left menu and add more fun, or click on this plus icon and then go to Parallel Liquid Staking. You see that there's an exclusive reward tag here. 1 million para reward pool will be available from October 24th to November 7th if you choose to contribute to Parallel Liquid Staking via SubWallet Web Dashboard. Okay, stake now. You see that the minimum active stake here is 1 DOT, so I'm gonna enter 1 DOT in here. You see that I have 1.48 DOT in here, so I only need to fill information and mint S DOT without having to transfer DOT from Polkadot to Parallel. Okay, click submit. Check all of your information. You will receive 0.78 S DOT. Hit approve. Enter your password. Okay, your transaction is completed and you are eligible for a free NFT from October 24th to November 7th. And here is the Parallel Power Staker NFT. Anyone who holds this NFT can join Quest on Aleph to earn up to 10 USDT. So you can click on this Join Quest Now button and be taken to the Airlift Quest page, stake.earn money. These are very simple missions that you can do easily and quickly. Returning to the web app, you can share this news to Twitter. There's a template you can see I staked out with Parallel on SubWallet Web Dashboard. Hit post and then you're done. Happy staking!